Good morning, friends. If you are into construction, then you're at the right place. I'm Tina Mittal, director at Nova Formworks, homemaker turned into an entrepreneur, wife to a loving husband, mother of two adorable children. Friends, allow me to give a brief introduction about my company, Nova. Nova, as a group of companies, manufacture many plastic products, having manufacturing facility in Ghaziabad and Bangalore. The group is into manufacturing of plastic products for the last 45 years, even before I was born, and have introduced products with the latest technology that includes plastic raw materials, plastic molded furniture, plastic corrugated fluid board, blow molded water tanks, HDP double wall corrugated pipes, corrugated boxes, and now into formwork, also known as shuttering. As a group, we have established our presence pan-India in the past 44 decades and are now fast expanding overseas as well. Let me tell you, friends, Nova Formworks system is the first Indian patented plastic modular formwork system introduced in 2011. Till now, we have worked on more than 1,000 projects, both big and small, and have served some of the major builders and contractors in the country like Ahluwalia Contractors, Shapoorji Pallonji, Tata Projects, JMC, L&T, to name a few, who have praised our formwork system for its uniqueness and efficiency. Nova shuttering panels are manufactured from a composite plastic raw material, which is again compounded in-house only, to maintain the quality and strength. The beginning of Nova Formworks brought about a whole new revolution in the Indian construction sector, especially if you talk about in the area of shuttering, due to its universality and lightness, simplicity, durability, solidarity, strength, and resistance to temperature change, apart from price competitiveness. The speciality of our formwork lies in the fact that it meets the requirements of every type of concrete construction, needed be for columns, different shapes and dimensions of any columns or walls, foundations of any thickness and height, box culverts, pile caps, plinths, rafts, slabs, monolithic beam, drain, formwork, stitch concrete, any. The beauty of Nova panels lies in the fact that the same panels can be used for all different applications. It is modular and size can be changed easily and can be used in multiple sites. We provide both general standard as well as customized plastic formwork systems. This is the only shuttering that can be used in salt and fresh water without any damage. It gives very good surface finish with no need to plaster and saves a lot of money. It is lightweight. Our plastic formworks can be used for more than 100 times very easily. And if it's handled properly, we have customers who have used it for more than 300 times as well. It is so easy to use that even unskilled labor or helpers can easily assemble or dismantle our formwork system. And skilled carpenters are not at all necessary. You can just have one carpenter for every 10 to 12 helpers on the site. Maintenance again of this formwork is comparatively also easy, as concrete does not stick to the plastic panels, and same can be just cleaned easily with water, and no shuttering oil is actually required. The panels can be fixed and attached with each other with the help of the locking pins, which is of the exact size, and they fit into the panels exactly and leave no gaps. The locks help the various panels to join together and make it a single panel, as panels lock very well and there's no leakage of concrete in between the panels, thus increasing the strength of the concrete structure. Furthermore, innovative design of the pins allows you to join panels easily and quickly without any hassle. Invaluable in the construction, this fully recyclable and eco-friendly product is inbuilt with a lightweight tubular steel frame that gives plastic panel additional strength. We provide high-quality support through well-qualified and trained site engineers as after-sales service measure and ensure customer satisfaction to the highest level. Our objective has always been to come up with innovative product to assist the construction sector with effective tools that enhance efficiency and save cost and time. This is an investment, and once you've made this investment, your projects will finish on time with more efficiency and a lesser cost, and overall life will become very easy. Then you will be looking back on this video and would feel lucky to have watched this video. So friends, if you have any doubts or want further clarification, then feel free to post your questions in the comment section below, or feel free to contact us at contact@novaformworks.com, or you can even visit our website. We would be happy to help you. Our website is www.novaformworks.com. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you. God bless.